We're going to move on now to Tiger Woods. He's back home in Florida this morning, 3 weeks after that serious crash. The golf legend is opening up about his recovery. Matt Gutman has the details. Good morning, Matt.
Hey, good morning, George. I spoke with specialists overnight, and they say that this kind of compound fracture can take 3 months to heal, and then the physical therapy begins. But the fact that Tiger Woods is now home is a huge milestone for him. It means he's likely not battling infection and frees him up to do, as he said overnight, working on getting stronger every day.
This morning, golf superstar Tiger Woods is home, recovering from that horrific rollover accident that shattered his right leg. Woods announcing on Twitter that he had returned home and is working on getting stronger every day. He added he is grateful for the outpouring of support and encouragement over the past few weeks. Woods had been treated at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center and Harbor UCLA Medical Center, where he was rushed for surgery after the crash, doctors implanting a metal rod, screws, and pins to stabilize the shattered bones in his right tibia, ankle, and foot. First responders say they had to use an axe and a pry bar to yank out the windshield and pull Woods to safety. He had just started to rehab from his 5th back operation.
It's very fortunate that Mr. Woods was able to come out of this alive.
Woods, who was wearing a seatbelt, was driving to a television shoot when the accident happened.
And that particular stretch of road is notoriously dangerous. 13 accidents in 13 months. Now, we understand that the Sheriff's Department is wrapping up its investigation into exactly how this crash happened. One thing L.A. Sheriff has been clear about, he has ruled out alcohol, and he said he is likely not going to press any charges. Guys.
All right, Matt, we're happy he's on the mend.
Good that he's home.
Yes.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.